Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
Hey, Mike Foster here, having a walk and talk. How you doing today? I trust you like this video, or I trust you like watching me do this. And I have trust that you enjoy my videos. Today I want to talk about trust and the importance of trust in all aspects of life. It's not that you want people to trust you. You want to trust others. You know, when you send your kid off to school, what are you doing? You're trusting that he's getting a good education, and you're trusting that the teachers who work with him are going to be there for him. They're going to have his or her best interest in mind. Trust. Same thing when you go get into a relationship and eventually maybe mate for life, marry, or just be together forever. There's got to be trust there. Once that trust is broken, no matter how many I'm sorry's and how many I'll never do it again, in the back of your mind, the trust is gone. I hate to say it, but that relationship will never be the same again. And that goes for family relationships, siblings, parents, cousins. Trust. You have to be the type of person that people trust you, and you have to elicit that same feeling from those that you encounter during your daily life, especially those that you're close to. I'll tell you this, my wife and I have been together over 25 years, and one thing, we've had our battles. Everyone has fights, everyone has ups and downs. Nothing's perfect. For the most part, it's been a great relationship. And one of the reasons, we trust each other. We trust each other with our lives. We trust each other that we're going to have the best interest in others. We trust each other that we're going to be there for them, be there for each other, no matter what. And that's one of the greatest building blocks that we have for what I consider the best relationship in my life. So you got to talk about trust if you feel like you're not getting it from somebody. You have to figure out why they're doing that. You got to figure out if it's something that you can help change that behavior. And if it's not, you have to ask yourself, do I want to continue with this relationship? And it's tough if it's something that's out of your control. I mean, if it's a relationship that you're in, you can change that. But if it's, you don't trust the teachers, or you don't trust the government, or you don't trust electric company, you have to make decisions that might be difficult. You can report them, you can voice your opinion, you can get in a car and move. Some things are difficult to get answers to, but at least you have to try. And trust me on this one. It'll change your life, and it'll make a better life for you, and it's something that you can't ignore. Trust. Hope you enjoyed this video. I trust you enjoyed this video. And if you like it, tell people about Live Life 365 and check out my website and my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.